Hi, I hope you guys are well. Thanks for joining for lesson 2. In lesson 2, what we want to be covering is IntelliJ and making sure that our Java connectivity or Java installation is connected to our IntelliJ. And then we'll also get some dependencies to get kick started. So the first thing I want to do is create a file, new project, and then in here it's going to ask me for what project name. So what I've then decided is, if I look at my browser and if I can just say a website 2 test automation, and then we would go, this is the one, and then we will choose this website here, and then in here is called Swag Labs. So let's call our project, an appropriate name. So we just calling this Swag Rag. Now we just call it web. Okay, cool. And make sure it's Java. It is IntelliJ, but we're gonna choose Maven here. Language is Java. Let's see, you can even add more additional languages like your Python, but you need to install a plugin. So we're just going with Java. We're going to use Maven because Maven will assist us in terms of getting our libraries. The old approach would be you would need to go and download all those physical libraries and configure it into your project. But Maven will do all that day using the Maven automation to download all our jar files, etc. So what I need to do is, if you go to advanced, you will see this is my group ID, Meticom, the company I work for, and then this will be Swag Labs taking it from there. So that's good, that's fine, I'm happy. So we just click on next. You can use this window, since it's our first project. And what I think you should notice, it comes with a POM file, and just to give you some content in the POM file, we would find this is where we'll put in our dependencies into it. So I'll get to that in a bit. So now that we got our project ready, it's just a skeleton. So what we need to do is get in your jar files for Selenium, because we will be automating a web application. So the old ways we need to go to, before we would need to go to Selenium's web page, download all the jar files, and then we would need to configure it into the project. Now you can just use Maven. Maven will do all that day for us automatically. So what I would then do is just write MAV Maven, and then I'll just say repo. If you click on this, first one comes is this one. Then you should do is just search for Selenium. It's Selenium, and then just click search. So now that we have Selenium, Java is what we're going to be going with. Selenium Java, if you click on it, and then you just choose the latest version. This is, at this time of the video we're making it, you can see it's 4.17. By that time it will be something else. And in here, if you look closely, you can see, if you view all, you can see all these jar files. This is the jar file that I was telling you about, whereby we need to download each jar file and configure it into our project. But Maven does all that hard work for us by just copying this piece of line of code. Now what I did need to do is just copy this line of code, and then if you go into back into your project, and in your project where we then need to put it is after artifacts, property types. I think you can just put in your dependencies in here, but it would want us to create, because you remember you can have multiple dependencies. So we just say okay, dependencies, and then you just copy the same line of code, and you can put this in here, and you can close it. Fine. So that is fine. It shows us 3 errors. All you need to do is just click on your Maven, load Maven changes. Yeah, exactly what I'm saying. Okay, click on this. No. Inside here. What I can then do is just click on this command line. They say Maven clean and then you can just say install. You can see that it's gone away. Well, I guess the reload did work. Okay, cool. So now we have Selenium already configured for us. Perfect. So yeah, that's it, guys.